Hey everybody, this is Rick with Scottsdale Urban Farms. Guess what? Today was the day we set our four corners. We are 20 feet wide, 48 feet deep. And what we did is we set this corner. We went over, we set this corner right here, and then we ran a tape 53 feet from this corner to that corner, and then from that corner over to this corner to make sure we were square. And then what we did is we ran a string line, which is down now because we're through with it, but then we ran a string line to keep everything straight. We went every 4 feet, as you can see where all the poles are laid out, ready to go. We went every 4 feet on this side, every 4 feet on this side, and what I did is because we're on really hard rocky ground here, it's just brutal. I took this here rebar and we started off dry and we pounded the rebar into the rocky soil, soaked it, went all the way around. We went around, I've gone around now 3 times pounding the rebar down as far as I can get it to go, and then we soak the water. So when we have we start hammering these in, we're going to have to step up on this big bad boy here, and then we'll it'll take 2 people. One guy running the hammer tool, another guy down on the bottom making sure everything is level. And the help I have tomorrow and the help I had today was my wonderful wife, Leanne, and then our oldest son, Matthew, who came in from Minnesota for the Thanksgiving holiday and for my wife's birthday. So this is the official spot. We've been talking about it a while, and we're gonna keep this a walking path. So you'll come in right here. This will be the center of the greenhouse, and it'll be 48 feet long. It'll go down to here, and then this is the exit. Right here's the end. And then what I did here is we're going to create another 6-foot wide space here, and on the back we'll continue with our raised beds that we have, our theme over here. And most likely I'm going to really start putting in some plants that are deterrents, that coyotes don't like, rabbits don't like, squirrels don't like, and we need to continue to work on our rodent plan. But other than that, hey, it's Sunday and we've had a long day today, but we're really excited about what's happening. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today, and we'll post another video as we get our daily updates going on. So take care, everybody. Have a blessed day. This is Rick Borden from Scottsdale Urban Farms in Scottsdale, Arizona, 85254.